I'm Alex Manos. I've been the CEO of Icones for the past 6 months. In my previous career, I was completely immersed in the corporate world, which I did for about 15 years. In my last position, I was running a $500 million technology company out of Greece, a global company. And I got to a point where I really wanted to go after my passion, and so I left that company, and I was fortunate enough to find Icones. And Icones focuses on the Internet of Things market. This is a booming market which is growing exponentially. Most projections say that we're going to be looking at about 50 billion connected devices by 2020. What's the problem, though, in this market? Most traditional consumer and industrial product vendors don't have the know-how to connect these products to the internet. And plus, there's a big race to connect all these products to the internet. So Icones provides solutions that are the fastest and most cost-efficient way to connect new and existing devices to the internet. We've developed a platform called WiSmart, which is a self-contained, fully integrated Wi-Fi subsystem with one of the richest middleware and application software libraries available, together with APIs for connectivity to the cloud. We're headquartered in San Jose, California. Our R&D is here. It's in Patra, in Greece. We've raised $3.3 million to date, 2.6 from angel and VC funding, and the remainder from grants. And we are now at the phase, we are generating revenue, and we are now at the phase where we're seeking Series B funding for working capital, expansion of our sales channels, and evolution of our platform. Our addressable market is a portion of the 50 billion device market. It's about 10 to 12 because we subtract tablets, PCs, and mobile phones, but it's still an enormous market. We target companies that lack this know-how of how to go from a product that is not connected to anything to a product that's fully connected to the internet, and they don't know how to design on the Wi-Fi chip level, develop all the middleware, and then connect. We're focusing all our R&D on bringing to the market first software features that optimize product performance and make this development very easy. We minimize the time to market of our customers through giving them extremely simple DKs to use for development, documentation, reference design, and first-class support. And the good news is that our strategy so far has been confirmed by our customers worldwide. Just to give you an understanding of the competition, on the horizontal, you're looking at the level of hardware integration, starting from a Wi-Fi chip all the way to a module that contains Wi-Fi chip, the microprocessor, plus it's certified for RF, FCC, and so on and so forth. On the vertical, you're looking at software. So starting from the basic Wi-Fi core, moving up to all the middleware that makes development of the application easier, and then plus cloud, and then moving even further up to software that makes IoT easy. And I'll expand on this on the next slide. As you saw, we place Icones on that integration higher up than any of our competitors in the market. So what do we offer? We offer our own developed, comprehensive, and continuously enriched middleware platform. So we offer DLNA, AirPlay. When somebody wants to develop an audio or video application, this is already running in our module, and all they have to do is hook up to it and provide the service. HTTPS, SSL, it's an endless list. We offer proprietary technology that enables the end customer to quickly connect either one or thousands of devices to the Wi-Fi network. We offer modules that have the microprocessors already in the module, which allows the application development on the module and not on an external processor. All of that together makes our offering have the smallest size, 8 by 8 millimeters only. We have the lowest power consumption, so Wi-Fi is headed for where Bluetooth is, and the lowest EBOM cost. Typical approach, you have a sensor, and then you need to buy the Wi-Fi chip, you need to develop the middleware, your application, and then take certifications. Long time from idea and very expensive to money. Our approach, 2 steps, sensor, module, you're already making money. Here's some of select products from customers that we actually have today. And you can see customers in the smart home area with IP locks, thermostats, lamps, industrial HVAC system, water pumps, toys, cameras, audio, wearables, a vast number of other applications that we cannot really categorize, plus security. Our team, we've put together a very strong team. Julian has spent over 15 years in senior VP positions in the semiconductor field, Infineon, IDT, Samsung. Dimitri and Costa, the 2 founders, brilliant engineers with over 15 years of experience each in low-power Wi-Fi applications. Kostas, our CFO, has worked for the Big 4 audit firms and for GE in various finance positions. And Brent, our global marketing director with vast experience in marketing strategies for startups. Just a quick picture. These are our channels that we already have set up in the US, in Europe, in Asia, and both reps and distributors, and some idea of where we are. We have 4 customers in production, 7 in design win. They're moving into production, 11 in prototype, 16 in earlier design stage, and in total we are tracking 170 customers worldwide. As I said, we're generating revenue. We're looking at EBT break-even in 2016 and to become cash flow positive in 2017. That's what we do. Thank you.